Soy John Iberg, aka Juanito Iberg, aka Biker John. This is my World Upon Wheels retired world bike tour. What I'm showing right now is the replacement bike for my Doublevision, which I am too weak now. My hams and quads have degenerated. I cannot pedal it so much anymore alone very far. So I've gotten a much lighter, much faster, because the tires, these are skinny tires. CruzBike. CruzBike has been a real challenge for me to learn how to pedal, but I am getting better and better at it. And I fully expect to be out bike touring before the end of May. I have had to make some adjustments and some improvements, in my opinion. Of course, because I pedal at night, I have lights, Harbor Freight lights that I fell off once, and I found another adapter right here for the light bar, which I added additional. And I've added this kickstand, or it's a jack stand is what it is. It is based upon what I had on the Doublevision. I can show that in a little bit. It is what we see here. So both the legs can swing down, and then I put this cross piece on, and that gives it a lot more stability. I also have a TerraCycle rack at the bottom, which I've added some very old